Understanding the phrase, sidekick, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the phrase, sidekick. This term is widely used in English-speaking cultures, and it's essential for learners like you to understand its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in and explore the world of sidekicks together. A sidekick is a term often used to describe a close companion or friend who accompanies and assists another person in their activities or adventures. The sidekick is typically not the main character in a story but plays a crucial role in supporting and helping the protagonist. Example 1. In many superhero stories, the main hero often has a sidekick who helps them in their missions. Batman has Robin, his trusted sidekick. Example 2. In everyday life, you might refer to a close friend who always has your back as your sidekick. Sidekicks often have certain characteristics that define their role in a relationship or story. Loyalty. Sidekicks are usually very loyal to the main character. They stand by them through thick and thin. Support. They provide essential support, whether it's emotional, physical, or intellectual. Humor. Many sidekicks are known for adding a touch of humor to the story or relationship. Skills. Sometimes, a sidekick has particular skills that complement the main character's abilities. Now that we know what a sidekick is and their characteristics, let's see how we can use this term in sentences. Example 1. Every superhero needs a good sidekick to help them save the day. Example 2. My sister is my sidekick. We do everything together. It's important to note that a sidekick is not always a weaker or less important character. They play a vital role in the dynamics of the relationship or story, and their contributions are significant. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, sidekick, in English. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use your new knowledge in real-life conversations. Until next time, happy learning!